Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure stock market analysis with Yahoo Finance, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type Yahoo Finance into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Yahoo Finance link in the search results. Once you are on the Yahoo Finance homepage, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the name or ticker symbol of the stock you wish to analyze. Press enter to view the stocks page. On the stock page, you will find a summary of key statistics and current market data. Scroll down to see a range of options including historical data, statistics, and analysis. To access detailed historical data, click on the Historical Data tab. In the Historical Data section, select the time period you want to analyze. Choose whether you want to view daily, weekly, or monthly data. Click on Apply to save your changes. Next, you can download this data by clicking on the Download Data button. Open the downloaded CSV file in a spreadsheet application for further analysis. Now, return to the stock's main page and explore the Analysis tab. Here, you can find forecasts and recommendations from various analysts. Take note of the key metrics and projections provided. To view interactive charts, click on the Chart tab. Use the options to customize the chart according to your preferences. You can add indicators like moving averages or RSI from the chart settings. Furthermore, explore the news section for the latest updates affecting the stock. For broader market insight, navigate to the Markets section from the main menu. Review indices, commodities, and currency trends for a comprehensive analysis. Consider creating a watch list by clicking My Portfolio from the top menu. Add stocks of interest for quick access in the future. Finally, regularly check back for updates and reviews as markets fluctuate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.